Bangladesh as well as West Bengal. Now, according to the recent update, we are learning that several local trains in Sialdah section have now been cancelled. Remember, earlier we told you that several flight functions have already been hampered because of the weather condition, the harsh weather conditions there in the region. And this is the big update now coming in with regards to the train movement as well. Several local trains in the Sialdah section have been cancelled. This is with regards to the big update coming in from Indian Meteorological Department that actually generated and issued an alert in the region because of the landfall of this cyclone Remal that we are talking about. Remember, IMD warned of extremely heavy rainfall in the coastal districts of West Bengal and heavy to very heavy rainfall in North Orissa on Sunday, which is today, and in fact tomorrow, owing to the weather system. We are expecting the landfall to be later tonight, according to the reports that we have received from our sources. And extremely heavy precipitation is also likely to be there in Assam and Meghalaya region as well. About the movement of the trains and flights, earlier we brought you the report of several flights being cancelled because of the harsh weather conditions there in the region. And we have got more updates on cyclone Remal, and several local trains are now going to be cancelled in Sialdah section of the region. We have got our editor East Kamalika Sen Gupta joining us live straight from Ground Zero. Kamalika, very good morning to you. Please walk us through all the details about the weather conditions at the moment as well as the safety and security measures that have been put in place in order to safeguard the lives there.
See, already the rains have started. We are in East Midnapur, and as expected, this has developed the severe cyclone Remal. It is going to hit, the landfall is going to take place at around night from 11, in between 11 to 1 o'clock. That's what we are getting from the Meteorological Department has given this warning to 8 districts. Right now, I'll just try to show the winds have started blowing in and the rains have started here in East Midnapur. So 8 districts, East Midnapur where we are standing, North 24 Pargana, South 24 Pargana, all these districts red alert has been given. Actually, this Remal, it will push northwards and it will go, its path is via it will go to Bangladesh, but it will cross via in between Sagar Island in South 24 Pargana, which is an island, and Bangladesh, and it will hit in Mongla in Bangladesh. So it will cross this Sagar Island and the other place called Khepupara of Bangladesh and will hit in Mongla. But all arrangements have been made. NDRF has kept ready 20 companies and they have started working. Rescue centers have been opened up. Fishermen have been asked not to venture out into the sea. From today afternoon, the tourists will also be discouraged to come into these places. Nobody is allowed in the beach. Miking is going on. So all types of, but totally flights have been cancelled from today afternoon to tomorrow morning 9 a.m. Also the Sialdah train services are going to affect. So all the arrangements have been made. Monitorings are the government, the NDRF, everybody is doing monitoring. And when the landfall will take place, the wind speed will be 110 to 120 kilometer per hour. So definitely it's again is going to be a severe cyclone, and all arrangements are made. And as you can see that the rains have started already in these places.
And also, Kamalika, we are learning. All right, Kamalika, thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial details, and we'll request you to please stay safe while you bring us all those details. Right now, we have got a ground report coming in straight from the location as well by my colleague Kamalika Sen Gupta herself. Let's take a look at that as well.
Cyclone Remal is going to hit late Sunday midnight, and this is a deep depression which has developed into a cyclone. Now this is red alarm has been alerted from North 24 Pargana to South 24 Pargana. Right now we are in East Midnapur, and there is obviously a little bit of rain is taking place, and these are the places where people have been stopped. They have been asked not to go to the beach, and also fishermen have been have been asked not to venture out to the sea, because this Remal is going to affect today night. It's going to hit here and it's going to cross it's going to hit in Bangladesh, and while on its way Shagardeep Island in South 24 Pargana, and it will cross via Shagardeep, and Bangladesh will hit. It will landfall will take place in Bangladesh, but it's definitely going to have an effect in Bengal, South Bengal. So red alert have been given by the meteorological department. NDRF team had been kept ready. 12 companies of NDRF teams are there in South Bengal. As you can see, the sky is overcast. It's cloudy from the morning. Little bit of rain is taking place, but definitely the administration are not taking any chances. They have asked the tourists not to venture out, not to go into the beach. This is the beach. In the morning, the sea was there and it has come front. So nobody has been allowed like that. And also the fishermen have been asked not to venture out in the sea.